All right, it's Cinco de Mayo. Yesterday was May the 4th. Be with you, right? And so today we have another pop culture science trivia question. Today's question is: in The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, what is the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything? And so the answer to this was given to us, of course, in the book by Douglas Adams. The answer was given to us by the supercomputer Deep Thought, which was specially built to find the ultimate answer to life, the universe, and everything. And it took Deep Thought 7.5 million years to compute and check the answer, which it turns out to be 42. Deep Thought points out, of course, the answer seems meaningless because the beings who instructed it actually never knew what the question was. And now Douglas Adams, he was asked a lot of times why you chose the number 42. So what's the significance to Douglas Adams, the author of the book? He came up with a lot of theories. I think, for one, 42 is 101010 1010 in base 2. And that light refracts through a water surface by 42 degrees to create a rainbow. That's another possibility. And light requires 10 to the minus 42nd seconds to cross the diameter of a proton. So that was also kind of interesting. Adams didn't really seem to suggest that any of these were the answer he was looking for that he came up with. He did post in Usenet on alt-fan Douglas Adams. He posted on November 3rd, 1993. He gave this answer. And so the answer he gave was, the answer to this is very simple. It was a joke. It had to be a number, an ordinary, smallish number, and I chose that one. Binary representations, base 13, Tibetan monks are all complete nonsense. I sat at my desk, stared into the garden, and thought 42 will do. And I typed it out. End of story. So Adams described his choice as a completely ordinary number, a number not just divisible by 2, but also 6 and 7. In fact, it's the sort of number you could, without any fear, introduce to your parents. So, now you know why it's 42.